Okay, this is making fart noises in the laundromat, but they get increasingly louder each time. Okay, your turn. Louder. My bad, Haley. Why are your elbows bruised?
No, it's not. It's just ashy.
Do I have to do louder?
Okay, louder, not deeper.
Don't make it too obvious. Don't be laughing. We're doing farts, Haley, you idiot. Here.
We have like 10 seconds left.
Alright, that's it. Goodbye, guys. Subscribe.